Good evening all. Tonight I'm going to be cooking a one pot meal that is fairly cheap to make, probably under £5. I know that times are a little bit tight at the moment for quite a few people, so we're going to go through. What I'm making is a one pot chicken thigh casserole and rice. So the ingredients that I've got tonight is I have 4 chicken thighs, 2 bags of rice. I purchased frozen broccoli because it's cheaper. You can take how much you want and then leave the rest in the freezer for another meal. We've got carrots, an onion, a chicken stock cube, lazy garlic. We've got table salt and rock salt, mixed herbs, black pepper and oil. I know that it's only a one pot, but at the moment I've got 4 pots, which means just a little bit more washing up, but that doesn't matter. It will all be going into that pot in the end. So the first job to do is safety first. Make sure that the chopping board is secure on your side because it can be quite slippery. Normally I would put a microfiber cloth underneath it that's a bit damp, and that would just stop the chopping board from wobbling all over the place and slipping off the sides. Also, I have a bowl here for my rubbish. So what we do is we get the onion and we cut the top off. Take the root off and then cut it in half. Peel it. Like so. And then the other side, do that. Break all that up. Put it in the rubbish. Get all your rubbish off the chopping board. And then we're just going to slice it quite finely. We don't want it too thick. And we will just put that to the side. Same with the other one. Push that to the side. And then we get rid of the rubbish. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to prepare the carrots and the broccoli, and I'm going to get them into some water to boil. That will just make it easier. It takes longer to do. I'll only part boil them, so it won't take long. I've already put the kettle on and boiled the water before I started the video. So we'll quickly get this done. You can choose how you want to do your carrots. You can either have them in slices, batons or cubes, whichever one you would prefer. The thinner you cut them, obviously the less time that you have to cook them in the pan. So we do peel top and bottom, get rid of your rubbish, do that to all 3. You can have more if you want more, and of course you can add extra if you're cooking for more people. It's not a problem. So I'm going to just cut them into rounds for ease today. Don't want them too thick, otherwise you're just going to be eating a mouthful of carrot. Push that over to the side. Also, I've preheated the oven to gas mark 7, so I'm not really very good with electric, so best thing to do is just to look up what gas mark 7 is on the electric. And if it's a fan oven, obviously it might be different again. Oh, dropped a carrot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer the carrot into the saucepan because I've got the boiled water. Put it in there. Spill more of it on the floor than anything else, but that's okay, we can pick it up. It's just a couple of slices of carrot. And there we go, that's in there. So the next job will be to do the chicken. So I'm just going to get a bowl to put the onion in. I'll put it in one of these plastic containers because of then the bowls don't smell. Start off with the chicken. All I'm going to do is score the chicken on the skin side. Just a little score like that on each side. This will allow the skin to stay on instead of shrivelling up. And then a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. You don't have to put these on, it's up to you, but it's just to season it a little bit before it ends up going in the pan, which will be in just a minute.